Hey, welcome back to San Diego Living. Now, everybody wants to have a nice smile. And I know that sometimes different things keep you from doing that. For some folks, it's the idea that you have to go back to the dentist over and over and over again to have those veneers made or shaped or crowns or whatever it happens to be. We've got a solution for you today. Eddie Corrales is back here once again from CadSmiles.com to talk about how this can all be accomplished in one day, in one visit. Eddie, I mean, how in the world can you possibly do that? I know, folks send stuff back and forth to the lab and they fit and they refit, and it takes multiple visits usually to get a full smile.
Correct. Yeah, there's about 500 dentists here in San Diego that own this technology. Technology is CAD-CAM. The name of it is CEREC. And patients can go to these dentists that I work with and get their dentistry done in one day. My specialty is smile design, so I create their smile all in one day. As today, I'm the only one in the nation that has taken this business to this level. My business model is same-day smile. So I travel all over the United States and parts of the world to do this. So today, I wanted to show the audience how it is that this machine can communicate with this one over here to create a tooth in one day.
Okay, so normally you have to go through impressions and models have to be made. You're able to short-circuit that process, skip that altogether, aren't you?
Correct. We use this wand, this little scanner here. And if you see here, I just turn the camera on. Let's pretend this is a patient's mouth.
Okay, so you would take a picture of somebody's tooth in their mouth.
Correct.
As it exists.
And then once that's done, and imagine that if there was a rubber impression, this would take a long time. Right now the impression has been taken. We can come here forward and tell the software where the finish line of the tooth is. You okay that? And then it does a little dance here, and the software actually places the tooth where it's supposed to be.
And it actually creates a model not only of the mouth as it exists, but then designs the tooth, the veneer that's going to go on there?
Right.
Now, is this a veneer or a crown?
This will be a crown. This is, for the sake of the show, it's easier to show a crown because I have a finished product here in front of us. So right now it's just calculating where to touch the adjacent teeth and also the opposing dentition. So it just tells you where the tooth is supposed to go. So now here, all we have to do once the tooth is made, we can send the information to the machine, and the machine starts milling.
Are you kidding me?
From a porcelain block that is in there.
And this thing is going to mill that tooth?
It's going to mill whatever's in here. You can see a little sample of the block here on the screen. So that is going to be milled in about 10 minutes. It'll be done. So it took about 2 minutes to scan it, 10 minutes to do it, and then we just have to place it in the patient's mouth. So within an hour, you can have a crown done in the office.
Wow. Okay, that is just amazing. Let's while this is working here, we'll come back to that shot in a second. We've got some before and after pictures as well, folks, to give you some kind of an idea how this works. That's going to mill a tooth in about 10 minutes. I've seen this kind of technology on like American Chopper, where they're making motorcycle parts, but that is amazing. All right, folks, there's an idea of what a before and after could look like for you. Here again, before, after, and so if somebody, if they needed, normally what would you do? You do the first 4, 6 teeth in the front. You don't have to go all the way around to the back to get a good smile because people can't see the teeth in the back.
Correct. Yeah, it depends on what they want to achieve with their smile. If they want to do 4, 6, 8, or 10 units, I'm there for them. I'm a dental designer, a dental technician by trade. So that's why they call me around the nation to come and do the smiles.
Now, you work here in San Diego with about how many dentists that you work very closely with?
I work with about 100 dentists. The closest dentists that I work with are the 5 in each community in San Diego. I have a dentist that I work with now in San Diego.
But now, what if folks love their dentist and the dentist doesn't have this technology and they'd still like to explore the possibilities here? How do you work that out?
I call it no CEREC, no problem. I have this system. I have the ability to bring the system to a non-owner, so I can design the smile for this patient and at the same time introduce a dentist to a new technology.
So you'll come to them?
I'll come to them.
That's just an amazing thing, folks. This kind of technology would have taken a semi-truck in the past, and now you can load it up in your personal vehicle and be there to help folks out.
And here's the final product. I don't know if you guys can see it in the camera, but this will be after 10 minutes in the machine. Once it's done milling, it just fits perfectly in a patient's mouth.
Right into the model, just like that. Folks, we're going to let that go ahead and mill, and maybe we'll take a look at the finished product a little bit later on, but it takes about 10 minutes per tooth. Eddie, thank you so much. CadSmiles.com. If people want to get in touch with you, they just get onto the website, get the information, CadSmiles, C-A-D, Smiles, S-M-I-L-E-S.com.
Thank you so much.
Hey, thank you so much. Great to see you. It's amazing stuff. My father, the retired dentist, I'm sure is looking at this right now going, phew, boy, if I had,
I bet
if I had had that.
This is changing dentistry by storm.
It sure is. All right.